Bill Gates is a boy from the United States. He lives in a big house with his parents and his two sisters. His father is a lawyer. His mother works for a school group. Bill is a smart boy. He asks many questions. He likes to read books. He reads books every day. He reads about science, history, and people. He wants to know more. His parents see that he is special. When Bill is a child, he likes to think a lot. He spends time alone. He plays games, but he also thinks about big ideas. One day he sees a computer at school. It is big, it is slow, but it is interesting. Bill says, "What can this machine do?" He asks his teacher, "Can I use this computer?" The teacher says, "Yes, you can." Bill starts to learn. He sits at the computer for hours. He writes little programs. He tries new things. He makes mistakes. But he learns from them. He does not stop. He says, "I want to make something new." At age 13, he meets a boy named Paul. Paul also likes computers. They talk after school. They ask questions. They read books about computers. They learn together. One day, they write a small computer game. It is fun. Their friends play it. Bill and Paul feel proud. Bill goes to a good school. He does well in class. He likes math and science. But he also wants to do more. He says, "I want to change the world. I want to build something big." His parents support him. They say, "Work hard, be kind, and follow your dream." Bill spends more time with Paul. They stay up late. They write code. They learn new things. They talk about the future. Bill says, "Will people use computers at home?" Paul says, "Maybe, if we make them easy." At that time, computers are big and very expensive. Not many people use them. But Bill has an idea. He says, "There will be a day when everyone has a computer." One day, Bill and Paul go to a computer lab. They work on a new program. It is hard. It takes many days, but they do not give up. They say, "Let's try again. Let's make it better." They work as a team. They share ideas. They help each other. Bill says, "What if we start a company?" Paul says, "We can do it." This is the start of something big. Bill is still a boy, but his dreams are not small. He wants to build. He wants to help. He wants to learn. He knows it will take time, but he is ready. He says, "Let's go. Let's make something great." This is the beginning of the story of Bill Gates, a boy with big dreams who will change the world.
Bill and Paul want to start something new. They say, "Let's build a company." But where can they begin? What can they do? They have ideas, but they do not have much money. They are young, but they believe in their dream. They move to a new city. They choose the name Microsoft. It is a name for their new company. They work in a small room. There is one table and two chairs. There are no big offices. There is no big team. Just Bill and Paul. Every day, they work from morning to night. They write code. They test programs. Sometimes the programs do not work, but they do not stop. They say, "We can fix it." They try again and again. After some time, they make a program for a big computer company. That company likes their work. It says, "We will use your program." This is a big win. Bill and Paul feel proud. They say we can do more. More people start to use computers. Schools want computers. Offices want computers. Homes want computers too. Bill says there will be a computer in every home. People think this is a big dream, but Bill believes it will happen. Microsoft grows fast. Bill hires new people. He says, let's build a strong team. He talks to the team every day. He asks, what do people need? What can we make better? There are problems. Sometimes the programs are slow. Sometimes people say no. But Bill does not give up. He says, let's learn. Let's work harder. Soon, Microsoft becomes a big name. Many people know it. Many people use it. Bill becomes rich, but he still reads books. He still asks questions. He says, what can I do now? Bill wants to help others. He gives money to schools. He gives money to doctors. He builds a group with his wife. This group helps many people. It gives food, books, and health care. Bill says we can help the world. This part of the story shows how two young boys can build something great. With work, with time, and with a big dream, they build Microsoft. They change how people use computers. And they help many people too. Bill Gates teaches us many things. He teaches us that learning is important. He teaches us that hard work brings good results. He shows that we can do big things if we believe in our dreams. Bill did not wait. He started when he was young. He asked questions. He read many books. He tried many things. He did not stop when things were hard. He kept going. He worked with friends. He listened to people. He wanted to make life better. One lesson we can learn is start now. You do not need to be rich. You do not need to be old. You just need to begin. Do you have a dream? What can you do today? You can read a book. You can learn a new word. You can help a friend. Bill also shows that giving is good. When he had money, he gave to people. He gave to schools. He gave to hospitals. He helped many people. He did not say, I will help later. He said, let us help now. Do you want to help others? You can. What can you give? You can give time. You can give a smile. You can give your help. There are many ways to give. Bill shows us that small actions can grow big. Another lesson is to think big but act small. Bill had big dreams. He wanted to change the world. But he started small. He worked in a small room. He made small programs. He took small steps. That is how big things begin. Do you have a big dream? Do not wait. Do not stop. Take one small step today. Ask a question. Write an idea. Share a smile. You do not know where it will lead. Bill Gates is not only a man with money, he is a man with a big heart. He cares about people. He cares about the world. That is why he is special. So remember this. Read books. Work hard. Be kind. Help others. Start small. Dream big. These are the lessons from Bill Gates. And these are lessons for us all.